Well, my name is Perez. I'm a painter here for Collision Care Express. The reason I like the automotive industry is because it gives me the opportunity to work in different fields of the automotive industry. I could either be a hands-on guy or I could be in the office with the customers. It just gives you a different playing field. You're never stuck to one position.
Brian Perez. I work here at Collision Care Express. I'm one of the paint technicians here. Working here at Collision Care Express, I believe it's a good opportunity. Here, it's like a family. You know, we all look out for one another. We take care of each other. We try to help each other out.
I'm Mario Perez. I've been working on the Carolina machine, and I'm the one who's doing any type of work on the frame machine. I mean, what I tell them to come and work over here is like they're gonna feel like a family. It's great to work over here.
One of the good benefits is that it's still relatively a small shop, but I mean, there's so much going on in such a short period of time that I mean, there's opportunities to do pretty much anything.
The reason I would say to apply at Collision Care Express is because of my short years that I have. The only place that I've seen that has that type of friendliness and family vibe and the opportunities are there is here.